Cyber threats are everywhere. Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack strikes. Are you ready to fight back? Welcome to the Cybersecurity course by Network Rhinos, your gateway to one of the fastest growing, highest paying careers in tech today. You will learn to protect digital systems to meet the huge demand across every industry, with rapid career growth and global opportunities. From protecting sensitive data to stopping cybercrime in real time, this course transforms you into a certified cybersecurity professional ready for the real world. Modules include networking and security fundamentals, ethical hacking techniques, penetration testing, and more. You'll go from zero to hero with a hands-on approach, industry tools, and labs that mimic real cyber attacks. Courses are available on weekdays and weekends, featuring labs with tools like Kali Linux and real-world scenarios. Every module is designed to make you industry-ready, with projects, simulations, and mentorship from experienced trainers. Get trained, get certified, get hired. Potential roles include cybersecurity analyst and penetration tester. Join the growing family of Network Rhinos learners and step into your future with confidence. Become the defender the digital world needs. Start your journey in cybersecurity, only at Network Rhinos.